at anything less than the union of Europe as a whole, and we look forward with confidence to the day when that union will be achieved.
Now home for our festival, shall we like brothers toast in song? Our land, the Slovenian people, may God endow with lifetime long.
From Stettin in the Baltic to Trieste in the Adriatic, an iron curtain has descended across the continent.
Будет только одно знамя развиваться, знамя дружбы, знамя мира, знамя братства. И это знамя, на нем будет написано коммунистическое общество.
Odważni, ja jestem, nie bójcie się, nie bójcie się.
Some parties have said they would like Slovenia to leave Yugoslavia.
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
Situacija u zemlji je dramatična. Na početku smo građanskog rata.
Jugoslavije ni več. Gre za Slovenijo.
May unity, joy, blessing return, may we be reconciled.
We must never forget that at its origins, the European Union brought together nations emerging from the ruins of the devastating Second World War and united them in a project for peace built on supranational institutions representing the common European interest. Through its transformative power, the European Union was able to reunite almost all the European continent. Even in these difficult times, the European Union remains an inspiration.
God grant you Slovene women long life, oh noblest flowers, to our own kindred maiden, the like is not found anywhere.
We are working not only for this generation, we are also working for the next generation. I'm proud because I can receive the Nobel Prize for Peace on behalf of the European Union.
Več kot 1700 primerov okužbe z novim koronavirusom.
The sheer numbers of people succumbing to the coronavirus is overwhelming every hospital.
Dragi prijatelji, koraj žavelja,